Hello guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to look cool with no Robux. Harry, shut up please. How to look cool with no Robux. So see me now, I made this new account, it's for me and Harry. Well, mostly for me anyway.
Yep.
Harry has his own account with Robux on. And in fact, Harry, you can have this account.
No.
But, oh, whatever. Anyway, so guys, this is my account then. This will always be my account because I'm going to change the password. But anyway, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make yourself look good as a poor person with no Robux. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to change your skin tone. So skin tone should be in body. So click on body and just do whatever skin tone you like. Just make it look like natural, because like some people like think it's weird that like freaking like put it like you make yourself green or pink or blue. So just try and make it a bit natural, and like nobody likes a bacon hair. Well, some of you might like a bacon hair, but like you'll get bullied as a bacon hair. People will try and eat your hair.
Yeah, because it's bacon.
So anyway. Oh, and this is for men, by the way. I'll put it there.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys.
Hair.
What?
Down.
So now, please stop. So now.
That's not yet a packet of Haribo's.
Anyway, you're gonna want the brown hair. So I don't think you'll get it straight away, so you'll probably have to get it off the catalogue. But it's absolutely free. You can get it with the man package. Oh, and also this face I'm gonna put on. Oh, not this, no. But like the face that I'm gonna put on. So this face. So guys, I've made this guy. How's he look? I'm Jeff.
My name's Jeff.
Okay. Now we're going to shirts. See if we can find. In the catalogue, guys, this is a cool shirt. It may sound a bit nerdy, but yeah. Dude, dare look at me like that. So here it is, guys. Let everyone know that you're an ally of justice by wearing the Voltron Legendary Defender shirt.
What?
This shirt. Yeah. Now Harry's being annoying. He sounds so scary.
Yeah. Because I am.
So now, guys, what you're gonna do? Get the Voltron shirt. It might take a little bit long to appear. I'll see you in a sec. Oh no, I won't see you in a sec.
What?
I thought it would take really long, so I'd have to cut the video off.
No.
Now, guys, there's loads of different t-shirts that you can put on there. Like you've already got the Bloxer, which is quite cool.
The house, poop house.
So maybe you could add the blocks, keep the Bloxer on there, and get the boy Roblox package.
What? Boy?
Yeah, the boy.
Yeah.
Get the boy Roblox package since he looks sick.
Yeah.
And we'll have to wait a bit. See you later, guys.
The
The video wasn't recording then, so you're lucky.
Huh?
The video wasn't recording then, so you're lucky.
My video ended.
Oh, good.
15 minutes.
So anyway, guys, so here we go. Oh, wait, what did I actually do? Oh yeah, I added the Bloxer. So guys, we got the Bloxer. We got the boy package. So now, let's see. you can probably use, but on my opinion, the dark green jeans. No, the black jeans are my shizzle. Don't look, guys. Okay, you can look again now, guys. So now we have black jeans. Now actually, I think there's like two like things, two like options for the pants. It's probably like those black ones or these ones. One sec, guys. So the next like thing, what's it called? So the next choice is the ripped skater pants. Designed and provided to the community by GPR3. You can have so many top Roblox items. Be sure to check out other items made by GPR3 in the catalogue. So these are the other option. Let me just get them, and then I'll just put them on me and see how they look. See you in a second, guys. It's loading.
I'll publish them with it.
Loading. Alright. Loading.
Part 1.
Oh, here we go, guys. So here we go. I really prefer the black jeans with it, though. Do you think it look cool? He didn't say anything. Anyway, guys, I think that's pretty much it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video and you liked it, please leave a like. That'd be very appreciated. And if you haven't already, subscribe, and then click the notification bell for daily videos by me. So guys, I'll see you later.